Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's continue to see the Python strings. If you want to get the length of a string, use the length function. Alright, let's get into this. I am creating a variable a and assigning a value world to it. Following this, I am using the print function along with the length function to get the length of the variable. Check out the result. It's 5 because the variable holds the value world and that's 5 characters long. Now, let's see if a certain character or phrase is present in a string, using the keyword in. I am setting a variable with a value. I'm using the print function with a specific word, then I use the keyword in, followed by the variable name. Check out the result. It shows true as the word what exists in the given string. If we give it a word that's not in the variable, it'll give us back false. Now, let's use this keyword in if condition. As the wonderful word exists in the variable, it will print success. Alright. Let's see how to check if a certain phrase or character is not present in a string, using the keyword not in. Here, the word wonderful exists in the string variable, and we use the not in keyword. Therefore, it prints failure from the else block. Now, we will use the keyword not in the print function to see the Boolean value for these. The result will display false and true because what exists in the string variable but where does not. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.